Okay, so I'm just checking back in here, and I put this order in when it was around 36,500. Bear in mind this morning the price was at over 38,000, and so yeah, my order's in here at 35,000. It's a post only. Is it going to get on the books? Sometimes it just bounces and then the order doesn't get filled. And then there is a possibility now that it was at 36 and a half. It may go down to 35 because it's post only. It may get filled. And I could be really happy if it goes back up to 38 again, which I believe it will go back up there in the next few days. But possibly it could go even lower. It could go through the retracement. I mean, 2 days ago it went down to 29,196. I bought at 30,300 and 30,400. Then Elon Musk just shot it up to 38,000 this morning because he said it was inevitable. He was going to go into the space. And then, if there was going to be a retracement on that today, I would say, well, would it go down to 32,000? I don't know. It's unlikely because Michael Saylor has this Bitcoin conference coming up. So am I going to get this order filled? Is it going to happen? Am I, like I said, I've done it post only, not taker mode. So, I'm just waiting to see it go down to the 36,100s. Look at the spread here. We're at 35,222. Is my order going to get filled? It's going back up again. It is showing a negative, but look at this. This is why when you see a massive green candle, which was on the another chart I was showing earlier, and then just sort of, it's like that law of gravity. What must goes up must come down before it goes up again. That is what I'm seeming to learn here. But am I going to get my order filled? Is it going to post the, oh, look at what's happening. 31.6. Look, see, this happens so fast. Oh my gosh. 35,139. Is my order going to get on the books, right? I've got it here for 35. Is it going to happen? Let's just take a look at this. 31.16. I mean, we should maybe see my order come up on the books here. Maybe it is going to happen. Look at this, how we're going red. I mean, maybe it's going to go down to 34.5 and my order is going to get filled. And I'm going to go, why didn't I do 34.5? You know what? Because for me on this order of 0.0146 of a Bitcoin, I'm like a little minnow, unlike some of these whales. It doesn't matter. It would have been like $15 fee, and it may not go down to 34,000. Look at this. Is my order going to get on the books? Is it going to get on the books here? Bear in mind, when I put this in, it was at 36.5, and just before that was at 37. There it is, 35,000 filled. Order filled. So, yay! Look at that. And then look, this is what's happened. Look, it went 34,999. This is where I kick myself. I go, oh, if I just held out. I drive myself nuts with this. But I just want to show you. So if I had not learned technical analysis, I'm telling you, gut instinct, if I'd had really good gut instinct, I would have known that Elon Musk was going to buy in this morning, right? I mean, look, some things, how am I going to tune into that? This is just different from, say, when one's doing a psychic reading. It just doesn't work in the same way. I think maybe it's just because there's too many variables. But look at this up here. So here we go. It was at 30, like here, around just over 38,000 it went to. It had a moment, it went to a high of, I don't know exactly what it is, like maybe 38,500. And, look at this green candle. It was like 32,000 down here. So I just don't know if it's going to correct and all the way down to here. I'd be surprised if it goes below 30 again. I feel pretty happy with that. So anyway, my order filled. I put that in when it was fluctuating around 36,500 to 37,000. And I thought, let me give it a go. And then look, see the resistance is coming in here. It hasn't gone lower. So let's see, is it going to go lower again? Are we going to continue this downward trend here before we bounce and go back up again? that, you know, I am a crypto beginner in my journey here. It's bounced here. So I've got to give myself a little bit of kudos as a total beginner here, for making that trade. But yeah, I mean, it is unpredictable. It is wild. And that is what makes it compelling too. So thank you for joining me for making that trade there. And there's my fee. Look, $1.79 because I'm in Coinbase Pro. All right, well, this is Joanna here, Garzilli from Crypto Angel Network. Appreciating being here, and I'll see you next time.